After childbirth, the body goes through incredible changes, physically, hormonally, and emotionally. Acupuncture can play a gentle yet powerful role in postpartum recovery, helping new mothers regain balance, energy, and well-being.
Restoring energy and circulation.
After delivery, many mothers feel depleted. Acupuncture supports recovery by improving blood flow, boosting energy, or qi, and helping the body restore its natural rhythm. It's like giving your body the reset it deserves after months of hard work. Balancing hormones and emotions. Postpartum mood changes are common, and acupuncture helps calm the nervous system and regulate hormones. By targeting specific points related to stress and sleep, it helps reduce anxiety, mood swings, and emotional exhaustion, promoting a sense of calm and balance.
Easing pain and discomfort.
Acupuncture can relieve back pain, pelvic soreness, and muscle tension that linger after childbirth. By relaxing tight muscles and improving circulation, it supports faster tissue healing and helps you move comfortably again. Supporting breastfeeding and sleep. Acupuncture may also assist with milk flow, relaxation, and better sleep, helping the body restore both physically and emotionally during the early weeks of motherhood.
FAQs with Albert. When can I start acupuncture after giving birth?
You can start as soon as you feel ready, often within a few weeks of postpartum, depending on your delivery and overall recovery.
Is acupuncture safe while breastfeeding?
Yes, it is safe and non-invasive. Acupuncture supports your body naturally without interfering with milk supply.
How many sessions do I need?
Most new moms benefit from 4 to 6 sessions, spaced weekly, but we adjust based on your specific needs and recovery pace. At Turning Point Physiotherapy, we use acupuncture to support your body's natural healing, so you can recover with strength, balance, and calm energy. Because healing after childbirth is more than recovery, it's about renewal,